Find the perimeter and the area of the shaded shape. So the perimeter here of this thing here is actually called arc length. The area, this shape, is actually called a sector. So the arc length. Now the arc length, well, we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but this is some fraction of the area of the length of the circumference of a circle, and the fraction is going to be the angle subtended at the center, which we call theta, and divide that by 360. So in this example we've got 60 over 360, so this is 1/6 of the circumference of the circle, and then we just do 2 times pi times 5. So putting that out using the fraction button on the calculator, that's going to give 60 over 360 times 2 times pi times 5. So use the fraction button, and that gives 5 over 3 times pi. So it's 5 pi over 3 centimeters. Now this is called the exact answer. If we want the decimal equivalent, which is probably what's normally required at IGCSE, you have to press this button on your calculator, S to D, and that will convert that into the decimal equivalent. So it's going to be 5.2359 to 3 significant figures. That's 5.24 centimeters to 3 significant figures. Right, for the area of this, so the area of this shape here, right, so the area of a circle is pi r squared, and the fraction of it, we're just going to have a fraction of the area of a circle, and the fraction in this case is going to be the angle, which in this case is 60, we'll call it theta normally, divided by 360. So in our case the area is going to be 60 over 360 times pi times 5 squared. Okay, so again, use the fraction button on your calculator. So we've got 60 over 360 times pi times 5 squared. You can enter it all in one go, and that will give you 25 pi over 6 centimeters squared. Again, that is the exact answer. Normally we require the decimal answer at IGCSE, so just press the S to D button and it will convert it to a decimal, which is 13.0899, and round that off to 3 significant figures. That becomes 13.1 centimeters squared to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find arc length and the area of a sector where the angle subtended at the center is measured in degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.